Welcome to Prodhurt YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore Best Ignition Stove. The introduction of induction stoves have created an enormous revolution in the field of cooking. But to obtain perfection and proper output, most people prefer using gas stoves. This feature is mainly because most people feel comfortable with gas stoves. When you are using a gas burner, the heat produced will be uniform and cooking will be efficient. When it comes to the concept of gas burners, there are a variety of models available in the market. They are available in varying sizes and options. So, if you are interested in purchasing a gas stove, you have to consider certain features and consider them. Stainless steel or glass top model. When you are purchasing a stove, you have to look for whether it is a stainless steel model or a glass top model. The requirement for glass top models has been gradually increasing nowadays because they are easy to clean and provide a perfect appearance. Some of the glass top models are available as a fitted model where they can be embedded within the slab so that the stove won't protrude out. A majority of the continually moving people prefer using the stainless steel model because they can withstand all pressure types. Even though the glass top model is made up of high quality, tough glass material, it is still impossible to shift them regularly, especially if you are a cook or someone in the cooking profession. So, in such cases, the stainless steel model will be a suitable choice as they are rigid and can be cleaned with rough materials. When it comes to the glass top model, they are also made up of rigid material, but the cleaning should be made using software. And they should also be placed in a single place without moving always. If you are using embedded models, it would be practically impossible for you to lift them because these models' weights is higher. So maybe before going for a gas stove purchase, you have to decide on these options. Standalone model or embedded model. If you have your own house sitting in an embedded model row with an automatic ignition technique will be more suitable. Because if you are constantly shifting, then having an embedded model will not be ethical because it is impossible to find a house with the right slab. Hence, the standalone model will be more suitable. Both models are equal in terms of functioning. But when it comes to cleaning, the embedded model can be easily cleaned and they always use the auto ignition technology, which prevents you from using the matchstick and other methods of starting the stove. But when comparing the performance and other functions, they are equal in all aspects. Number of burners. This feature is an essential concept because when you are purchasing a gas stove, you need to have good burners for both standard and emergencies. If you have a nuclear family, then buying a stove model with two burner systems will be suitable. Sometimes you can also go for a three burner system because there might be an emergency of fast cooking and a third burner can be used under such situations. Also, if you are going for an embedded stove model, then also select the model with the highest number of burners because there will be a permanent fitting and hence you can't change during the time of need. If you are bachelor looking for a perfect solution, then the best option is the glass top technology based single burner stove, which is easy to transport and fix when required. Automatic ignition technology. One of the most advanced techniques that are used continuously in this technology is automatic ignition. In this process, the stove can be automatically lit just by turning the knob. The internal mechanism will automatically light the stove using proper techniques. When choosing a stove with automatic ignition technology, make sure that it can switch off the gas flow automatically when the lighting mechanism fails. This particular technology saves a lot of time and energy. And after purchasing, most of the stores will have at least 20,000 to lakh free clicks. Even after completing them, you can automatically change the mechanism so that you can restart. Ergonomically designed. One of the most essential parts of a stove is the knobs that are ergonomically designed to provide a proper model. They should have the ability to withstand the heat produced by the stove. Even though they are not directly heated, the heat emitted from the burning stove will be automatically passed to these knobs. So they should have the ability to withstand heat and not absorb them. Most of the knobs are made up of high quality nylon material. So before purchasing a stove, make sure that it has a proper knob and understand the system so that you can cook freely without having to worry about the moving stove. Burner. After deciding on the number of burners, you have to decide the number of pins in the burner and their quality. For example, if you use the 2-pin burner, the amount of heat produced will be slower and they will not be suitable. Purchasing a 3-pin burner will be an advantage, especially if you will use the stove for a long time because they produce a lot of heat. As a result, the food will be cooked at a faster rate. Also, while purchasing a 2 burner or a multiple burner stove, always make sure that it has burners of varying sizes so that you can use them according to the heat required. Most of the burners are made up of high quality brass material to withstand the heat. If any model does not fall under the brass material category, try to avoid them since they would not last forever. Brand. The brand is the first thing you have to consider before deciding on the stove models because it will help you reduce your search and concentrate more. Choosing the stove from a well known brand any day will last forever without affecting the quality. Also, you will have the constant requirement to submit the gas stoves for repair. Also, you will have the need to have a service center in the local area for servicing purposes. Most of the well known brands are sold in almost all cities, so choosing from one of them will be more of a boon than an issue. Stand and plate. In the previous section, we discussed the standard that is usually placed below the stove. Sure, we will talk about the stand that surrounds the burner, which is responsible for holding the vessel. This particular stand is usually made up of high quality stainless steel material with matte finish. Even with a high amount of heat, the paint coated on the specific stand will not chip away. If you are going to use a lot of small vessels, then purchase a stand with 4 pins so that the vessels will be high tightly. Otherwise, you can go for a 3-pin stand. Similarly, it is essential to have a plate made up of stainless steel surrounding the burner to avoid spillage. This will keep your cooking area clean and also make the process of cleaning the stove easier. Sometimes these plates are fitted in using a screw that cannot be removed. You can purchase them, but the best option would be removable plates, which allow you to easily clean them on the sink. Along with these features, the most essential thing that you need to consider is a nozzle present at the end of the stove that allows you to connect them to the gas pipe. In most cases, these nozzles are fixed in a particular position. But if you are a person who continuously moves the stove, then purchasing a nozzle that can be rotated at 180 degrees will be more suitable. This feature allows free movement of the stove without damaging the gas pipe connection. Similarly, the budget is also an important concept you need to consider before purchasing a gas stove. After setting up an account, it will be easy for you to make a final choice because they are more concentrated. All the points as mentioned earlier are essential for purchasing a gas stove. You can easily buy a gas stove either from the brand showroom through online websites like Amazon. Given below are specific designs that are always found in the market and suitable for an average household. You can either choose from them or get another design that has similar features. Glen 4 burner gas stove 1048 GT black forged burners mirror finish auto ignition black. Most of the people nowadays prefer having a suitable gas stove for their home. Using a 4 burner gas stove will be a convenient option as they are useful when cooking for a huge crowd. Most of the people in a normal household with a nuclear family of 5 to 6 members will always choose a double burner or a triple burner gas stove at best. But sometimes having a 4 burner gas stove will be suitable for sudden guests and fast cooking. Glenn has clearly understood this particular requirement and created a wide range of burner gas stoves and chimneys that can be used for multiple cooking at the same time. The company is based in India and has manufactured a wide range of products, including gas stoves, chimneys, and other small appliances. The company is well known for its high quality products with technological innovative features that have assisted the modern kitchen in the most suitable and possible way. If you are one such person who has been looking for a perfect 4 burner gas stove, then this particular company will be convenient option for your purchase. There is a wide range of models provided by this company, but one particular model that has created massive reign in the society is the Glen 4 burner gas stove 1048 GT black forged burners mirror finish auto ignition black. This particular 4 burner gas stove has a perfect mirror finish and is surrounded by a matte finish technology that provides an ideal outlook on the design suitable for designer kitchens. It has 4 different sized burners that can be used to cook multiple foods simultaneously and make the process quicker and easier. The top layer is covered with a thick 8 mm toughened glass material that can be easily cleaned without causing any scratches. The gas stove is made up of high quality brass material burner that comes with a good warranty and can last forever. It uses a special to print technology for producing uniform heat all over the utensil without damaging the quality. Support. This particular design is a massive support to the modern day kitchen with its high quality enabled pen that provides proper support for massive vessels. The panel has holders on 4 different sides, making it an even surface for placing the utensils. The burner is covered by a stainless steel plate to prevent food spillage on the kitchen surface. The knobs are ergonomically designed to withstand all types of heat and easy operation. This particular product comes with a good warranty and the gas value can be turned around according to your requirement. You can also place the hot vessels on the glass top since it causes heat but not for a long time. This particular product can be purchased from online websites and also from the shops present. Some famous websites like Amazon have been offering these models for a low price and a good warranty. They can be easily installed by yourself and you do not need extra help. Prestige Magic Glass Top 2 burner gas stove manual ignition black. The prestigious group of companies is a well known brand in the country that has established itself as a famous brand for kitchen appliances and products. The company has produced a wide range of products including utensils, gas stoves, blenders, mixers, and cookers. The company is based in India and has created a huge market among women in the country. They have service centers in all over the country's important parts, including the major cities and districts. Most of their products are well known among the people because of the quality and the ability to last forever without getting damaged. Along with the utensils and other products, the company has also been manufacturing a wide range of gas stoves that has gained huge popularity. One such product that has gained a huge name among the masses is the Prestige Magic Gas Top 2 burner gas stove manual ignition black. When you are a bachelor or having a nuclear family, the best model available in the market is the 2 burner gas stoves suitable for normal cooking. Sometimes having a triple or 4 burner gas stove might make people feel congested, especially when cooking them. This particular gas stove model is well known because of its glass top technology preferred by most people. They are easy to clean and maintain. Some people believe that using a glass top technology based model will result in breakage after a few years of usage. But the truth is that they can last forever without getting damaged. This particular glass stove is made up of high quality toughened glass material that protects it from external temperature and the extreme heat emitted by the stove. The glass top covering provides a modern outlook to the stove and hence it is suitable for all types of kitchens. If you move from one place to another, then these two burner glass top stoves will be the best option for a family. Quality. This glass top stove is made up of high quality glass with steel on the base coated with a perfect matte finish. The stove has two types of brass burners with varying sizes that can be used for low and high level heating. The burners have 3-pin technology that can be used for spreading uniform heat all over the vessels. They also have ergonomically designed knobs and stands that prevent the stove from damaging the slab. This particular product is available in most of the prestige showrooms present worldwide and on online websites like Amazon. They are available for sale with a good warranty. The burner is surrounded by a unique matte finish stainless steel plate to prevent spillage on the counter, and the good stand covers them for uniform placement for the products. They are also available with multiple burners and you can choose according to your wish. Forger Automatic Ignition Smart Glass Top 3 Brass Burner LPG Gas Stove. Forger Group of companies has existed in the market for the past decade. The company is well known for producing and manufacturing a wide range of products, including stove and a variety of other gas designs. The company has a dedicated set of technological designing team that is well known for producing a burner stove that is technological and innovative and can last for a lifetime without any issue in the quality. Most people nowadays are looking for a low price stove that can help them cook for a nuclear family. Sometimes people prefer purchasing a 3 burner gas stove to increase the speed of the cooking and for having an extra burner that can be used in times of emergency. Most people nowadays prefer using a glass top model because they are easy to clean and maintain. Understanding these requirements, Forger has released a new model called Forger Automatic Ignition Smart Glass Top 3 Brass Burner LPG Gas Stove. This particular 3 burner glass top stove is preferred by people worldwide because of the unique design and the presence of 3 different sized burners. The glass top stove is made up of high quality toughed glass material to protect them from exposure to varying temperatures. You can also place hot utensils on this glass top without worrying about any cracks or breakages in the future. It consists of 3 ergonomical design knobs that can be used for switching on the stove. They are made up of high quality nylon material to prevent them from getting damaged from the stove's heat. The stand of the stove is also created in such a technique. Quality. This particular stove is made up of a high quality glass top that occupies the upper area while the lower areas are made up of good stainless steel with a matte finish. This allows you to enjoy a good model that adds to the decor of your kitchen. It makes the kitchen look more clean and perfect. These three brass burners with 3-pin technology for providing uniform heating. The brass burner's exterior is covered with a stainless steel plate to prevent the spillage of food particles onto the slab. It is also surrounded by a stand with 4 position spikes that allows you to place the vessels on the stand without falling over. It provides a proper balance and allows uniform heating. This particular product can be purchased directly from the shops available in your area and online websites like Amazon. They are easy to maintain and can last for a lifetime without any issue in the quality.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Prod Hut.